Hello again, and welcome to another American Beauty product support video tutorial. For this application, we will be using our model 105L9 light capacity probe style system. All of our probe style systems include a current return lead that is used to complete the circuit required for current flow. The individual resistor leads are being dipped into liquid flux and then inserted into the solder cup of the contact terminal. The terminals are fixtured in a vise between a layer of permacell tape to hold them firmly in place without damage and a copper strip with our current return lead attached to one end. A run light is included in this video demonstration to show the actual run time during the soldering process. The carbon electrode surface has been shaped with a jeweler's file to match the radius of the solder cup. Because of the depth and the small diameter of the solder cups, we are using multiple heat cycles to allow degassing and improve capillary draw of the solder into the cup. You will find similar applications demonstrated using a variety of other resistance soldering methods. However, this customer currently uses a pencil-style conduction soldering iron. This method allows them to maintain process familiarity while improving the overall results, including quality, efficiency, and consistent repeatability. With resistance soldering, the tighter control of a more intense and localized heat will minimize thermal overshoot beyond its intended area, preventing the possibility of thermal damage to materials and components. Thanks for watching, and check back often as we continue to grow our video library.